What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to program a smart key to a 2021 Chevy Tahoe. Like I said, this is a 21 Tahoe here, but it will be the same procedure on a few different models. So in order to be able to do this procedure, you're going to need two keys that already work for the vehicle. So as you can see, I have three keys here. These two are already programmed, and the one with the sticker on it is our new one. Unfortunately, if you do not already have two working keys, you will not be able to do this procedure. If you have less than two working keys, you'll need an Automotive Locksmith or a dealership to add a new one. But in our case, we do have the two working ones. So we need to be in the vehicle with the vehicle running. Then we're gonna take our two working keys and we need to place them on the passenger seat, just like that. And then we're gonna take our unprogrammed key and put it in the left cup holder, like that. And now what we need to do is use our driver information buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel here. And I'm gonna focus in on the menu, but just so you know what I'm doing, when I say I'm pressing over, I'm pressing this button. When I say I'm scrolling with this button. And then to hit the select button, you press that scrolling knob in, okay? So we need to scroll over until we get to the settings menu, and that's the one that looks like a little gear. Once you have that menu highlighted, you're gonna scroll down until Remote Learn is highlighted like that. Press select. And then once you get to this screen, you'll press select twice. Then you'll see it says ready for key 3. If you already have, 3 or 4 keys programmed, you'll have a different number. But that tells us it's ready for our new one. So we have our unprogrammed key in the cup holder like that. And we have ready for key 3 up. Now we're gonna press the stop start button one time. Okay, so once the ready for remote 3 goes away and it takes you back to this screen, that's gonna indicate that the remote's successfully been programmed. It confused me a little bit the first time because in your owner's manual, it says that you're gonna need to exit programming mode manually by holding down the stop start button for 12 seconds, but I found that not to be the case. So now if you needed to program additional remotes, you'll repeat the previous step. When this screen's highlighted, press the select button twice. Now you can see it says ready for key 4. Since we don't have a key 4 to program, we just programmed the key 3 previously, we'll need to exit programming mode. So how you manually exit programming mode is you're gonna push and hold down the stop start button for 12 seconds. So push and continue to hold it down. And we're gonna continue to hold it down until this screen goes away. Okay, so once that screen goes away and you get back to this, that tells you that you're out of programming mode. So now let's turn the vehicle off and go ahead and test our new remote. Okay, the remote portion works. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two keys from the vehicle really quick, and then I'll check back in and we'll make sure that the new remote starts the vehicle. Okay, I removed the two original working keys from the vehicle so that it doesn't read them. And the only one in here now is our new one. And let's make sure it starts the car. That's a working remote. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.